Now I request Chandana ji to share that good news or whatever announcement what we want, along with Bonesh. Along with Bonesh.
Um, so, very happy to announce that due to the intervention and discussions we were having in the morning with Kalyan sir, and as ATA was so good to come forward and adopt one lake in Hyderabad. So they want to showcase the best technologies available in US and transform one lake for us, which will hopefully set the trend in the country for reclaiming and reforming lakes. So I really thank them for coming forward for this initiative. They're going to do it as a part of your CSR? Yes, so they will make the announcement on what it entails and what can. But from the city and from the corporation, we would like to thank you for adopting this lake. It's Khajaguda Lake. It is near Biodiversity Junction. So we can share the details of the lake with you, whoever is interested. We would request now Mr. Kalyan sir to explain what this lake adoption entails, because this is the first time in the country that such an adoption is happening on behalf of an organization. Yes, sir.
So, in a sense, I think GHMC would probably explain as to what further needs to be done by ATA. My understanding is that generally the improvement of a lake requires, as Chandana was saying, it requires a tremendous amount of effort. The way she has really worked towards this Durgam Cheru, it requires tremendous amount of investments and all that. So, but here, ATA, I would think, is coming forward. As understood earlier, it has adopted villages and done a lot of work in villages. అన్ని విలేజెస్లో పనిచేశారు వీళ్ళు అండ్ they've done. And today they understand Hyderabad with having about 189 lakes. The, the, the future sustainability of Hyderabad depends upon its not only water table, the cleanliness of its water, and the future life, the urban city life will revolve around its greenery and around the lakes. Understanding that Telangana is also a very urbanized this thing, ATA has come forward to say they will support the lakes. Now, I think in what manner they will support the lakes, and the first lake that they will support is as said, Khajaguda Lake. In what manner, to what extent, and how they will continue this association is something I think the ATA will explain. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. American Telugu Association, ATA, is a non-profit organization in USA. We established in 1990. After this morning's opening remarks, we are excited, and after this morning's discussion with Madam Harichandana Garu and Kalyan Chakravarti Garu, and after talking to our leadership here, we are happy to announce we will help GHMC to take a lake to not adoption, but to beautify the lake. Whatever the things discussed, the details will be discussed later, but we'll work with GHMC to make it like a picnic kind of spot for Hyderabadis in the Gachibowli area. And also, Hyderabad has about 100 lakes or so. So we request other people also come forward to adopt or to help GHMC. So let's make our Hyderabad, city of beautiful lakes. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Pratap Ganti, and I'm one of the founding members of ATA. Besides that, I've been in this business in waste management. I started with hazardous waste program. I worked for Oklahoma State for 35 years in the DEQ, Department of Environmental Protection. And then also I worked as a director for a city of Lawton. So I'm so glad that, we have this opportunity, Chandana Garu, to come up with this idea. And we are here, to serve our country, what has given to us. We wanted to give something back. So it is good that, the city approach us and, get the maximum out of our people. We always come, at least most of them, we come every 6 months. So we are available here, not only for this project. ATA was started as a social and cultural foundation. Then we have started, social programs, and we are trying to be the first in everything as a Telugu community in United States. And with this project, what we are doing as the cleanup of the lake, I hope the other organizations have the same obligation like ATA and follow our steps. Thank you.
We are happy to help the Hyderabad by helping the lakes. So that's a wonderful thing for us. So thank you for giving this opportunity.